How much do you know about Kfood? Let's summarize within 2 minutes. Let's prepare the ingredients first. Beat the eggs, mix with a pinch of salt and 2 tea of water, then spread them thinly in a pan to make 3 thin omelets for the Gimbap. Julienne the carrots, blanch them in boiling water for 30 seconds, cool them down, and remove excess moisture. Remove the seeds from the cucumber, slice it into thin strips, and remove the moisture with a paper towel. Slice the rectangular fish cakes into long strips. Stir-fry them with 1/2 tea of sugar, 1 tea of soy sauce, and 2 tea of water until the sauce is reduced. Slice the ham imitation crab sticks into long strips, no additional cooking required. If too much fresh meat to stir-fry the ham, and now gather all ingredients. Mix 1 tea of sesame oil and a pinch of salt into the rice, then let it cool. Spread a thin layer of rice on a sheet of seaweed, leaving about 5 centimeters at the end. Add an additional half sheet of seaweed on top of the rice, at the bottom, and then layer the prepared ingredients on top one by one. Usually, a bamboo mat is used for rolling, but you can also substitute it with parchment paper. Roll the Gimbap tightly, brush the top with sesame oil and slice it into bite-sized pieces. Now, it's a staged image, you can enjoy it now.